Welcome back, friends, to another video. Today I will be making Pakistani chicken pulao. It's pretty simple to make. I'm sure that you've seen my other videos that I made. I made a chicken biryani and an Afghani pulao. Just have a look how I make this. It's pretty simple. I'm using two medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Other ingredients that you will need is cumin seeds, bay leaves, red chili powder, salt to taste. Now I've used 4 tablespoons of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. I have 1.5 tablespoons again of crushed grinded green chili. I have some cloves, some black cardamoms, some cinnamon and some black pepper. These are the ingredients that you will need to make this Pakistani basmati pulao. The ingredients. So friends, we are ready to begin the process of making Pakistani chicken pulao. I have added 1 full cupful of oil into my pan here. Onions are being cooked on medium flame. We need to give it a few minutes before it's actually cooked. It needs to be golden brown again. As you can see, I have the Pakistan basmati rice here. It's been washed and drained and soaked in water for almost 2 hours. As you can see, the onions are now golden brown, and the next step from here is to add all the masalas for the rice in there. I'm just adding all the herbs in there now. Just adding half a cup of water in there. Gonna give it a good stir now. Cooking it for a further 5 minutes now. As you can see, this is the colour we need for this Pakistani chicken pulao. It needs to be kind of like brown. Next step now is to add the chicken into it. I'm using 2 kgs of chicken into my Pakistani pulao. Chicken is now uncooked. We need to let it cook for at least 10 minutes or so. Again, 10 minutes on full flame, and then further 7 minutes on medium flame. Friends, the chicken is now ready. This is the final look of the chicken. Now the next step is to add water into it. Now the guidelines to adding the water is, I'll show you how it's done. So the next step is to add the rice into the pan. Now the simple procedure is that I'm going to show you a size what I used for the rice. This is what I used. I used 1.5 full level of these of rice. So the equivalent to this for the water should be, we need to double it. So I need 3 full of these of water to be added into the rice when cooking the actual rice. Right, time for the water. I've added 1 full level of this container in there. And now this was the second one. Time now for the green chilies. Ready. Ready for the rice now. Just going to give it a good stir. So the rice is in there now. I need to cook it on full flame for at least 5 minutes to 6 minutes. After that, I need to put the flame onto medium flame. Turning the flame on medium heat now. The chicken pulao is almost ready. The last step of the chicken pulao would be that it needs to be cooked on steam. So on steam for at least 5 minutes. There's two ways you can do it. You can add some foil paper onto it, or you can just use some sort of a cloth over the rice and then put the lid on it and let it steam for 5 minutes. Right, the final look of the Pakistani chicken pulao. Just gonna zoom in for you.